In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can link Google Forms to Google Sheets. First, you want to load up Google Forms, and here you want to open up your form. I'm just going to select this one, which is going to be a sample form. Once you load up the form which you have selected and need linked to Google Sheets, you will go into the responses section here. And once you click on responses, you will see the option link to Sheets. Select that option and it's going to ask you for the destination for responses. You can create a new spreadsheet and you can change the name right here, or you can select an existing spreadsheet if you already have one. I am just going to leave it as it is and I will click on create. And now this is going to transfer over the responses from Google Forms to Google Sheets. And that is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.